Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Suzanna and welcome back to today's video, guys. And in today's video I will be doing house tour. So that's what I will be doing in today's video, and I want to take you guys to my auntie's unfinished house and see how it looks like. So if you're new to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe, do share the video please, and also comment, like, and um, don't forget to turn on your bell for more videos anytime I upload the video. So I love you so much. As for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching my videos, and I love you so much. Okay, so let me take you to the house and see how it is. So as from the view outside, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is the finished one, the one we are using. This is the finished one, and from this side we have the one which is unfinished, and of which it is upstairs. Okay, so that is from the view. As you can see, the things are there outside. So this is how, as you can see, the view, it is just unfinished. So let's go inside as we go. This is the stairs. I love the way it is, and this is the door when you're coming inside, and this is the window. You can see at the main door. As you can see, as we go, this is the corridor to the, which can take you to inside, inside the house. Okay, this how it's the color, and it's just a color that is put just when they're still finishing the house. So at this side, when you're entering, the first thing you can see is the kitchen. As you can see there, here, that is the door, the door which it was removed. So they removed this because it was not put well. And here where this door is the dining. So you can see that. That's the space for the dining, and then this space here that you can see is for the open kitchen. This one is for the open kitchen. So this is the kitchen part, and because it is still under construction, so that space there they're going to put the cupboards for vyombo, for putting plates and all that. So this is the window for the kitchen. This is the window for the kitchen. That's how it looks like. As you can see, there's a tree here. That's a tree outside the window for the kitchen. And then from this side, this is the store, the kitchen store. That's the space. I love the way it is. It's just nice. And also at the kitchen store, we have the window. That is the window. Okay, so these are all the sockets, and also this is for electricity. As the bulbs, they are not yet put because the house is still under construction. So I just wanted to do this because it looks nice for me, and it is just good, and I thought of keeping this video for remembrance next time when I also want to do the same. As you can see, that space all for the kitchen, and they have not yet finished, and they have just put it that way. So as they are working on it, and they're still working on it. So those are all the sockets for the kitchen, starting from there up to here. My auntie is just that one person who loves to even to charge the phone in the kitchen, even to do anything, like mostly. Okay, this is the balcony. This is the door for the balcony when you're outside, and there are trees. It's just that nice compound, and that's how it is. the balcony outside, and it's big, right? Okay, so let me take you now to the steam room. That space you see, guys, is for the steam room. All that one you can see starting from there up to this side is all for the steam room. Wow, that steam room is big. Wow, so you can see the windows. You can see outside there, there's one window for the steam room, and then second window, and then the open backyard, door. As you can see how it looks like, it looks beautiful. And then those flowers there, when you stand from the balcony to look outside, it's nice, right? So this space, all don't mind about anything there that you can see. The house is still under construction. So let me show you the view of the steam room. You see, starting from that space, you see, up to that space, all from here where I'm standing up to there is all the steam room. Wow, it's big, right? Okay, so let's go and see. That's the corridor that can take you to both rooms, bedrooms. Okay, so the first bedroom is here, and that is the door for the first bedroom. So it's just a small bedroom. So there is the stand for the wardrobes. Is still ongoing. The construction is still ongoing, but that is the space for the wardrobe, like for putting clothes. And here comes the space. It's just for one person. Okay. So, and the window right here for the bedroom. So that's how it looks like. Okay, that's the first bedroom, and the bath up there they have not yet put, and that is the view for that room, as you can see. Okay, so here comes another space, like maybe a corridor space there. Okay, and then the view, that door for the corridor is wow, guys, like it's wow, as you can see that. Okay, so this is an extra space for the wardrobe, maybe where you can keep the cases. That you can see that space where you can keep the cases, and those all files, whatever. So this is the bathroom, the extra bathroom, maybe for the visitors, maybe for family members and the rest of the people when they come to the house. So that is a window. That light you can see there is for the window of this bathroom, and the bulb is up there, and you can see that wall, tiles are still new, and everything is still new. So I love the tiles, it's just cleanable tiles. Okay, and then up there is just so wow. So that's the view for that. And so let's go to the master's bedroom. This is the master's bedroom. So that's the door to the master's bedroom. So here we have the space for the wardrobe. That's the space for the wardrobe that you can see there. It's the space for the wardrobe. And then boom, there comes the window. There comes the window for the master's bedroom, and the bulb up there. So the house is, wow. So that's the space. That's the space for the master's bedroom. For the master's bedroom, don't mind about me. So that's the space for the master's bedroom. That's how it is looking like. So from there up to here, it's big, right? So also everything is still new, the shower, the whatever. So here comes the bathroom for the master's bedroom. Okay, that is the door, and then let's go inside. There's the bulb up there, there's a bulb, and then this is how it is gonna look like. In fact, they're going to put here the basin, that basin for sitting, and everything that will be removed, and it will look fine. Okay, so this first how it looks like, and the tiles for the bathrooms are still the same, and yes, that's how it looks like. That's the look for the bathroom, and the door for the bathroom. That's the tiles how it looks like, and down also that's how it looks like. Yeah, it's nice. I just love the way it is. And let's go to the next. So this is the door to the office, for my auntie's office. When you come in here, that is the door. That's the door to my auntie's office. Okay, because she likes doing a lot of work at home, so she decided to put her office here in the house. So this is the office, guys. As you can see around, it's not like a square like the rest of the rooms. It is a round office, and I love the way it is. And there you can see the beautiful window. Wow, I love the window. I love the way it is, and you see the round of the office. Okay, as you can see it's nice. Okay, I love the window mostly, and I love the decoration of the office. I will show you guys next time how it's gonna look like when it is finished. Okay, so that is the look for the office of my auntie, and then the window. Okay, so let's go to the third bedroom. So from my auntie's office, you can see there is some other space there, and of which that space is for another kitchen. Okay, it's for another kitchen. This house is a 3-bedroom house, and then it has 2 kitchens in it. So when you stand from this side of the office, you can see another space there is for the kitchen. So let's go and see it. So this is another door. This is another door, and then that is the window for the kitchen. For this second kitchen, as you can see, the tiles are just wow. Tiles are just new. Okay, and those tiles tiles that you can just wipe if anything drops on it. It's just removable. You just wipe it and then it will go. So those are all the connections for the steamer, and then they are also for the steamer, and they are for the tap water and etc. So here after the kitchen, you can see the door for the bathroom, another bathroom. Okay, and this one is just in case if somebody else wants a 1-bedroom house, and someone can just come in and rent a 1-bedroom house inside there, because it has a kitchen, bathroom, and then 1 bedroom. Okay, so yeah, let's go. This is a bathroom, another bathroom. Okay, this is the same tiles and etc, everything. Okay, the house is still under construction. No matter the looks. Okay, so these are the tiles and anything down there, and I've not yet finished yet. And so up here we have the electricity thing. Yeah, that one, you can see that it's already working. Okay, because they're using electricity for building the house and connecting some things. So here there is another bedroom. This is a bedroom for this bathroom. Okay, and this kitchen here. So this is the bedroom. So we go inside. This how it looks like. That's the window, and the window for this third bedroom. Okay, this is how it looks like from this side of the kitchen. That is the door, and then let's go. So that's the window for this third bedroom, and then here we have the space for the wardrobe, of which they have not yet finished. Okay, like I said, the house is still under construction, and yes, they have not yet finished, but soon they will finish, and I'll let you guys know. Okay, so that's the space for the wardrobes, and then this is the space for the house, for the bedroom. Okay, so that's how it looks like. The flowers there, when you open, there are neighbors and you know flowers there. Okay, so that's how the house looks like, guys. The house is still under construction, and you know etc. And you know, so that's all the house tour, guys. I wanted to share with you. I wanted to show you guys how my auntie's house looks like because it's I love it, guys. I just wanted to keep this video for a documentary, for a future remembrance. So next time, if you also want to, you know, build a house like this, and you know, with this design, and you know, yeah, you can make it, and you know, just click my videos, and you know, watch, and you know, find the design. Okay, as so that's all I wanted to do in today's video. I will see you guys on the next video. Please do subscribe to the channel. Please do share the video and comment. Tell a friend to subscribe to the channel. I love you so much. Bye.